In this video, I will show you how to copy your Instagram profile link. So let's jump straight into it. Copying your Instagram profile link can be very useful to help other people to be directed to your profile, because when you share your link and they click onto that link, they're going to be directed to your profile. Now, in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is open up Instagram on your device. And the first thing you want to do is come across to your profile page by pressing onto the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Now, once you're on your profile page, you're going to see near the top of the page underneath your bio the option to edit and share profile. What you want to do here is just press the share profile button. So on this screen, as you can see, we've got this QR code which people can scan to follow you. But if you look underneath, we've got two options. We've got share profile and copy link. So if you actually press onto copy link, and you're going to get a confirmation saying link copied, then what you can do is come out of this screen and you can paste that link and share it wherever you want. So all you would do is simply press and hold onto your phone screen and press the paste button, and as you can see, it's going to go ahead and paste your Instagram profile link. So that is how to copy your Instagram profile link. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.